The town of New Rochelle has been a coronavirus hot zone in our area. We've been talking a lot about this one. Health officials using drive-through testing facilities now to get ahead of the spread here.
Yeah, right now on the edge of that containment zone is Dr. Ken Redcross, a board-certified internal medicine physician and author. He joins us via Skype this morning. And I understand, Doctor, thank you first of all for being with us. But I understand you're having to go into some of these hot zones, if you will. That puts you at risk. So what are you doing to protect yourself?
Hey, Dan and Betty. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for having me on. Yeah, this is very, very surreal. You listen quietly, you hear something here in Rochelle, you almost hear a pin drop. And you guys know I'm a your physician, so I make that sort of thing. It's very important that I'm right into the zone, but I'm making sure here I have my Purell, I have my mask, I have my antibacterial stuff, so everything I can to stay out of harm's way.
So you're probably getting a lot of calls from these patients who are in these areas, right? How and when should people who are feeling like they have symptoms, when should they actually call you, call any doctor to get help? Because we are in cold season, flu season, allergy season. Yep. So how do you differentiate the three?
So Dan, you hit the nail right on the head. That's the challenging part. Fever and shortness of breath. Guess what? They both can look that way. But one thing that I'm seeing, the transmissible rate is very quick as far as corona. So you're having families that are all kind of having symptoms quickly, a little bit quicker than I see the flu typically, but it's important. You have to call the doctor immediately because time is of the essence.
Okay, but if time is of the essence, I'm hearing that not everyone can get a test. You have to qualify. Yeah. You have to have multiple symptoms, that is. So how do you qualify for that if time is of the essence?
No, you're right. And it's tough because here in New Rochelle, I know it's not a real world example because we have these drive-through tests where even myself, I've had all. You go through a group, you get an appointment, but everyone else in America has to make sure to at least have a good relationship with their doctor, figure out, are you that high risk that needs to get to the emergency room, but make sure you alert them when you get there so that they can prepare.
I think really, as we look ahead right now, people are looking at how they can boost their immune systems, right? They're drinking a lot of Emergency, a lot of vitamin C, taking their vitamins right now. Right. How important is exercise right now to boost your immune system, and will that help you at all, besides helping your sanity?
No, it will. It will. And when you're talking about boosting your immune system, I mean, it's great. I know Byron mentioned never get some sun soon, but the problem is we're all pulled away. So we're not getting vitamin D. I also talked to about a supplement called AHC. A lot of people haven't heard about AHC. It's a medicinal mushroom compound that has a third study from Harvard and Yale. The point is it has some activity against some bacteria. Now, neither of any supplement treats the virus direct, but the point is you want to have a boost in your system. And exercise is important.
Yeah.
Hey, you're breaking up towards the end there, so I didn't catch everything you said. Do me a favor, tweet out what you just said, and then I'll retweet it so we can get that information out to our viewers specifically about diet and exercise.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Redcross. We appreciate your time today. But it is challenging, though. You're talking about exercise and how important that is to boost your immune system. But a lot of folks are being told to stay away from the gyms, right? So you're going to have to figure out a way to do that inside your home.
We had the doctor on last week, specifically from the infectious disease department, who talked about don't go to the gym necessarily to work out, but there are plenty of videos that you can find on YouTube and apps that you can download to help you at home, to keep you moving and keep you, it helps with your anxiety levels and helps with everything.